What's up, guys? So I was working next door. You can see they drug me over here to show this American motorcycle off. And what is more American than a three-wheeled Harley, four-wheeled Harley trike? Let me rephrase that. This is not a trike, guys.
It's a quadricycle.
This is a quadricycle. This is a car. This is a
hitch on it.
Yeah.
Even has a hitch. You pick up them all them ladies. Ooh. And that's to make them run.
American lights. We have not cleaned this thing. I'll fire it up for you real quick. All right.
We call this the panty dropper.
We don't. We absolutely do not.
Don't say that lie.
No. Okay. She ugly. She all kinds of ugly. But I mean, you know, it's heritage here. You got your We the People. And someone started doing a really good paint job on this thing. And then I think they were in their garage drinking. And as they progressively got back to the back, it started getting a little bit worse and a little bit worse until they put a turkey on it.
It's supposed to be an eagle.
Yeah, that's a turkey. That might be an eagle. But this dude put 5 taillights on this thing. It's got a hitch. All right, so it's got a Voyager kit. If you guys aren't familiar with Voyager kits, there's a motorcycle underneath here, and there is a kit that's bolted to it. They're like $5,000 for the cheap ones. And they bolt it to this 13 model Ultra Classic.
You can see up in here.
Look under the back to see it.
You can see the tire
it's got a car tire in the center.
I thought it was a regular tire.
It's a car tire.
For real?
That is a car tire. So, if you just have to ride and you don't have any like stability, will you turn that off? Sorry guys, our heater turned on. If you don't have any stability and you're wanting a motorcycle and you don't want to spend trike money, you can get one of these. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. Yeah. I mean, but, you know, ride this thing at your own risk.
But if you're somebody who wants the stability of a trike, but then you also want to get wild and ready and just be on 2 wheels, you can
if you just can't ride 2 wheels, I mean, this is it.
Or you can't even pull it out?
No, you can.
Okay.
No, yeah, if you want to, you can just have a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Ride out from it. But
That in the field.
huh?
You
could do some burnouts in the field. Or you can go to the bar and get sloshy drunk and
not have to worry about tipping over.
have to worry about it. Just ride this thing. Price, $11,500. Or best offer. Or whatever. We need to sell this thing. I saw it on the auction and I was like, wow, look at that thing. It is ugly.
He's like, America.
I gotta have it. Yeah, we put this thing in our parade and it was a hit. People were hollering and screaming. I mean, it's cool. It's a 13 model. It has 50-something thousand miles on it. It is a 103 high output engine. So, I mean, it's a nice bike. It just has a pretty wild paint job on it. So,
it's not for the faint of heart. You got to have some big cojones to ride something like this, brother. This is something that people are going to stare at and look at.
Then they're going to ask you about it. You're going to pull up to the gas station. Every single person's going to say something. So
it comes with the garland too. We just threw that in there to make it look a little better.
Yeah, it's an extra added bonus. Anyway, hit us up. We can finance it. We are absolutely not going to ship this motorcycle. Period. I don't care. We're not going to ship it. So, because you're going to get it home and you're going to be like, oh my God, look at this. I want you to come here in person and see this beautiful motorcycle. So,
hey, some folks will like it, some folks will hate it.
Hey, listen, I'll tell you a story. I had a kit car Ferrari, and I called it my Ferrario. And I used to ride around town in my little 308 GT, looking like Magnum PI. It was completely fake.
Yep.
And the looks it got everywhere I went, but my wife would laugh at me. She wouldn't even ride in it. She was like, I'm not riding in that car. That's stupid. So I kind of compare it to this.
Kevin loved it though.
I loved that car.
It did attract attention. I mean, every time we'd go somewhere, people would be like, oh man, you got a Ferrari.
We'd have little kids go buy mustaches and come by the shop and take pictures with it. And a doctor here in town bought it.
Really?
Yes.
Cool.
I still see it out riding around. Actually, he lives in my neighborhood.
Fiero
Rari.
So if you don't like this bike, you don't like America.
Yes.
That's how I feel about it.
100%.
That's our sales pitch.
You are not American if you
You are
don't like
not
this
American.
motorcycle.
So all you Russians and everybody else come by.
You can come get it. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I have to say about it. America Trike.
Guys, got to come see it. It's cool looking. You know, it's got loads of potential. Heck, you may not even want the trike kit. You may want to just take the bike itself, turn around and sell the trike kit. Who knows? It's,
I mean, you can.
potential there.
Yeah.
Got options.
Well, I think that's it. I've stared at the American bike enough that, yeah.
Come get it, guys.
That's it. Later.
America.